Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. This video is about another day I spent at Wiscombe Park Hillclimb, but this time not with the Fiesta ST. You'll note from the last video that the car suffered mechanical failure last time at the Hillclimb. In that, the auxiliary belt was shredded. Good news is, since that event I've just repaired it, tidied it all up. It's just some simple misalignment and it didn't really cost anything to do, so that's all good. I've tested it locally, so the ST is raring to go. But what I noticed at the last couple of hill climbs that I've been on is there's all sorts of varieties of different classes and cars that enter that, straight from basic cars out of the showroom right the way through to souped up rally cars. So for a change and for a bit of convenience, I persuaded my wife to lend me her daily driver for the event, which is a mini Clubman JCW. Nice little car, been driving it a lot recently, four-wheel drive, pretty nippy. I thought, why not? Let's just get in that, enter the class that goes into. And see how the day pans out. So let's go and take a look at it. So I'll introduce you to my wife's mini Clubman JCW, four-wheel drive, nice and shiny. Just cleaned it, ready for the hill climb, and yeah. Been driving around quite a lot recently and really got impressed by it, so I thought I'd give it a go. It's a 2-litre turbocharged car, and you can see hopefully in the corner the Fiesta ST, which is having a break from hill climbs at the moment. I have fixed the fan belt issue from last time, so he's still a bit upset with me, but he's quite keen to go out there and show me what he can do with a proper running auxiliary belt, not a fan belt. So giving the Fiesta a break, taking out my wife's trusty little Clubman. It's pretty new, it's only done a few thousand miles, so I've got to be a bit careful with it, don't want to stuff it. But anyway, I think it's going to be interesting to compare the times that I achieve in that versus the Fiesta, and just some comparisons I've written down in little glasses. So the Fiesta, I think, is running about 330 brake horsepower. This on paper has 302. The engine 2-litre versus 1.6, both turbocharged, 0 to 60 times. I think the ST, I haven't timed it, it's definitely less than 5 seconds, just shy of 5 I think. I'll have to time it one of these days. This is 4.9 to 60, which is just remarkable. Four-wheel drive, which I think is going to be super handy on the hill climbs, quite a steep hill with twists and turns. ST front wheel drive, and that's always been the Achilles heel, but it's not too bad in the dry. Let's see, weight, I think that's about 1.1 tons with all the weight reduction stuff that I've been doing since I've had it. This on paper is 1.6 tons, so a bit heavier, similar-ish power bit, perhaps a bit down on power, but the four-wheel drive I think is really going to be awesome on the hill climb. It's going to be a dry day, so I think the times are going to be comparable to what I've done in the ST, but that remains to be seen. Yeah, I think can't wait really. Interestingly, with the regs, with the 2-litre turbo, you have to do a multiplication, and it puts you into a class of production cars of similar horsepower, and I'm up against lots of Subaru Imprezas, Mitsubishi Evos, even a Porsche now. I've seen the list, I'll put the list up on the video at some point. So very stiff competition, but hey, it's a bit of fun. I'm looking forward to the convenience of just literally driving up in that, doing my hill climbs and driving home later without faffing about with trailers and all the rest of it. So don't tell the ST I said that, I blocked his ears. I will take him out next time round. So that's the mini JCW, let's see how we get on. Okay, good morning everyone. This is the Saturday morning, first of the 2 days of hill climb I'm only doing today. It's 8:26, practice is already underway. Just managed to get here in time with my cup of coffee to wake me up. Here are some of the cars in different classes, and here is my entrant, number 98 today. And I think the competition, or cars in a similar class, some of these Caterhams. I think there was a Porsche somewhere, Subarus. Oh yeah, here we are. BMW over there. This Fiesta's quite quick. Audi TT. I think my group starts with the Mini, and then these cars, BMW, Porsche over there, Carrera, I think that's Carrera 2, Subaru, Mitsubishi. So all pretty serious bits of kit that my wife's poor little Mini is going to have a go at competing with. So should be fun. Beautiful day, and the best part is the Mini has the air conditioning that the ST hasn't. So I took it out to save weight, so I'm going to be nice and cool whilst queuing up to get out there. Anyway, I'm going to have my coffee, gear myself up, and today it's one practice run followed by 3 timed runs. So 1 practice run, better make the most of that. Alright, let's see how we get on. Well, that was an experience. Little knocking sound. May have caused some damage already. See what time I got. 49.25, which is really good. Didn't feel that fast at all. And that 49.25 is much better than any of my other practices in the Fiesta. So I was in the 50s Fiesta, so 49.25, my first practice run. Pretty good. I had a look around the car, seems to be in one piece, that's the key thing.
There we are, that's it. Right, on the green in your own time, sir.
Thank you. That sounds metallic. There's a mechanical noise there, so I'm going to have a look at that, borrow some tools. Felt like a smoother run. It's very slow to change gears, the automatic box. Keep an ear out for the time.
50.55. Mini Clubman in the hands of Carlo Batiste.
50.95.
96. Then James Gibson quickly to
Slower.
the top with the Westfield SE and claiming a time
bit
of
cautious about it. What I'm feeling is
51.05.
it's a new car, I don't want to stuff it, so that's impacting my times.
Gibson Jr. moves
Anyway.
into the lead there.
So a little update as we just come in from my first time run, which is slower than my practice run, because I was a bit conscious of that rattling noise. scraping noise. I thought it was like a wishbone or a linking arm or brake disc problem. Anyway, so nursed the car home, back to the pits, and thought it's time to retire, so I don't want to damage the car unnecessarily. And I had a look at the front right, which I've obviously managed to just scrape the verge on a left-hander Martini, which is a pretty sharp left-hander. Got a bit of understeer on my practice run actually. Anyway, to cut a very long story short, this stone, which is quite a sizable stone, was located in the wheel, sort of sitting there, literally between, I don't know if you can see that, between the brake disc and the cylinder of the wheel hub. So that was, I hope, the cause of the scraping and nasty little sound. So I'm really relieved actually that I sort of took things sensibly until I found out what was wrong with the car, and that hopefully it's just this little innocent looking stone that's found its way into behind the spokes and the disc. The disc looks really good, so I'm pleased with that. That hasn't been damaged. A little bit of scuffing on the bottom of the caliper right deep down. You can't really see, so apologies. I don't know why I'm even trying to show you. So with some luck, that is explaining the noise, which means I can relax more and enjoy the last 2 time runs and try and get some decent times after lunch. Anyway, going to break for lunch. I'm going to be joined by my wife shortly, and we'll pick it up on my second time run. Okay. .47, that's more like it.
Red.
Time is, I'm going to pull off 98, 48.42. 48.42. Pretty good last run for this car. Pretty pleased with that. But my personal best is 2 seconds quicker than the ST, and I think that's all down to handling and speed of gear changes. So whilst I've enjoyed the luxury convenience of rocking up in a standard production car, I miss the outright performance, the lightness and handling of the ST. so I'll be bringing that next time. Other than that, it's been a wonderful day. Met some nice people, got some ideas as to what to do next. I'm going to try a sprint probably. My local tracks, and yeah, the old Mini's done well. Got a little scuff on the front right wheel because I kissed the verge in my practice this morning. So done a bit of curbing on that. I think I'm just going to go get a new wheel. It's a pretty new car. So a little bit more damage than I'd hoped for today, but it's done well. So hope you enjoyed the video. As ever, stay tuned. I'll be back with some new experiences in due course. Cheers.